Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect a monitor to your MacBook Neo. So unlike other MacBooks, this model has limited capabilities, especially speaking of external display configuration. So we can only connect one external display to this device since it doesn't have a Thunderbolt port. So we have two USB Type-C ports on the left edge of this laptop. Now this one that is closer to the display, it is a USB-C 3.0, and the following one is the USB 2.0, which we cannot use for display sharing at all. So we're gonna need to be using this port that is closer to the display, and in it we're gonna need to insert an external hub with one like this that has both USB Type-C cable to connect to your MacBook and also an HDMI port or a DisplayPort or any kind of connection that your external monitor uses. So basically all you have to do is insert this hub into your MacBook, and after that insert the cable that goes from your monitor. It can be both HDMI or DisplayPort, as I mentioned before, into this hub, and then make sure that your monitor is also being supplied with power. So make sure to connect your monitor to the power source, and after that on your MacBook, go to settings by navigating to the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen, select system settings here, and then scroll down to displays. And here you will see not only your built-in display but also an external display, and you'll also be able to change the display settings for your external monitor in this menu. So you can either select mirroring, which will basically mirror the screen and everything that happens on the screen of your MacBook to your external display, or you'll be able to use it as an extended display for your MacBook. It's basically like a second monitor for your MacBook. And yeah, that's basically it. So just keep in mind that we can only use the USB Type-C port that is closer to the display for connections, and that we can only connect one external display to this laptop. And so yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.